I did not expect it to be this one. I don't know. It's cute though. Oh my god, I'm not gonna know how to act this week.
Welcome back to my channel. Hey beautiful people, you already know it's your girl Teddy Bell Gems. Today's video, as you guys can tell by the title, is going to be me giving you a small tutorial on how I got these knotless braids with curly extensions. If you'd like to know how I achieved this look, please continue watching. Don't forget to give this video a like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. And if you have, hey Pookie! Thank you guys so much for supporting my channel. We're on the road to 3,000 subscribers, which is super crazy. Every Tuesdays and Fridays, you already know your girl is dropping a new video for you guys at 9 p.m. Eastern Time. The final results will be at the end, as well as a cute little surprise. Okay, enough of the chit chat. I'm gonna let you guys go ahead and enjoy this music and enjoy this aesthetic and this video. Bye.
From them chickens you've been tricking on, can be a ride or die. You thuggish, rugged, bold. Look me, boy, I'm good in every hood. Take it fed up, rolling backwards. Just trying to show you what it would be like if you my man. Young and fine and dark and handsome. The boy from south or somewhere came walking in. I can't keep my panties from dropping. He's so fly, fly. Toss me up, other hoes is lacking, call me up. On my baby packing why I'm stuck. That's why he my man. Young and he fine and he tall and he handsome. Talking so fine, I might hold it for ransom. Put it in drive, I'm not shy, I'm a lecture. Cause all night we'll run really fast. Running fast from the way it was, jump quick to a paycheck, running back to the strip club. I'm never going back, never going back. No, you can't make me. Never going back, never going back. They never take me. I paid enough of petty dues. I put enough of shitty news. I had a thing for dirty shoes since I was 10. Love dirty men alike. Ooh, better today than cash today. Ooh, I just take it day by day. Been about 2 days, don't wait. Been about 3 years. I dated you. Why you still talking about me like we together? I moved on for the better. You moved on to whatever. I was down for whatever and then some. You gon' make me late to work again. Better days ain't yesterday. I just take it day by day. Never hearing what they say. I just do it my way. All I got is these broken clocks. I ain't got no time, just burning daylight. Still love and still love and still love and still love, still love, still love and still love and still love. Nothing but love for you. Nothing but love. Nothing but love. Don't need me sleep past 9 a.m. Heartbeat make me feel strong again. Freedom just join the party. I don't need nobody. All that I got, this is in pages.
I just wanna take you there. He don't gotta know where. Does he touch you here like this? Let me take the friction from your lips, and I'ma love you, girl, the way you need. Ain't no one gon' stop us. Ain't no one gon' stop us. And I'ma give you, girl, what you feel. I'm the drug in your veins. Just fight through the pain. He's what you want. He's what you want. He's what you want. He's what you want. I'm what you need, what you need, what you need, I'm what you need, what you need, what you need. He's what you want. He's what you want. He's what you want.
Yeah, there you go right now. Hey, I'm done. I'm tired. I'm exhausted. I can't barely keep my eyes open. I still gotta shower. I still gotta clean this bathroom up. All this hair is everywhere. Probably gonna have to change my nails because I already know that she's going to get tangled with these nails that I got. But y'all, we are done. Fuck yeah.
Knock your boots up, and I'ma love you, girl, the way you need. Ain't no one gon' stop us. Ain't no one gon' stop us. And I'ma give you, girl, what you feel. I'm the drug in your veins. Just fight through the pain. He's what you want. He's what you want. He's what you want. He's what you want. I'm what you need. I'm what you need. What you need. He's what you want. He's what you want. He's what you want. He's what you want. I'm what you need. I'm what you need. Whoa, 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 whoa. The smell of your perfume. I thought I was immune.
I already felt like the comments was gonna be coming like, girl, how do you sleep at night? How do you wrap all that hair? Well, here I am showing you exactly how I put my hair away in a bonnet, and this is exactly what I do every single night, and it keeps my braids fresh and the hair like not tangled like at all whatsoever. I do recommend a silk bonnet. Surprise, it's Kisses. I realized that you guys enjoy her in my videos, so I'm gonna put her in here more often, but that basically wraps up the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Bye.
Hello stranger, it's been a minute since we last kicked it. And by the way, just got in time.